For sale today is a Miltronics ML15 CNC lathe. This machine is in very nice condition. You can see the ways here are beautiful. This machine hasn't had much use on it. It's going to include a Dorian tool post, which is indexable. You can leave all your tools in it, index it, lock it down, open it up, index it. It will index at 45-degree increments and 90-degree increments. It's got an 8-inch 3-jaw chuck with reversible jaws. Check out the control panel here. We're going to run a little program with it. This is going to show you the constant surface feed. As it gets to the center, it's going to speed up. You have manual hand wheels, so you can still run this like a manual lathe. Spin speed. All the oil galleys have been cleaned in it. The thing oils really well. You can see in the ways, just very nice condition. All original paint on it. It's got a number 4 Morris taper in the tailstock. You'll see here as it starts to go in, you'll hear the spindle speed up. You can see the feed rates, speed rates. You can adjust them on the fly. It's a 3-speed gearbox. There's your spindle speeds. Up to 3,000, as low as 20 RPMs. If you have any other questions about this Miltronic lathe or any tool room equipment, give Brandon at Varney Machine a call. Thank you.